Chapter 2: The Little Tramp. You all love to watch cartoons and movies. We love to watch those, the most that are full of humor and life. Here is a passage from the life story of a legendary man who invested his lifetime in making us laugh. Come, let's read. Charles Spencer Chaplin, fondly called Charlie Chaplin, was born in London on April 16, 1889. Both his father and mother were singers and actors. At the age of 10, father died, and subsequently illness of his mother made it necessary for Charlie and his brother Sidney to stand on their own. Having inherited natural talents from their parents, the youngsters chose acting as the best opportunity for a career. Charlie made his profession debut as a member of a juvenile group called the 8 Lancashire Lads, and rapidly won popular favor as an outstanding top dancer. After that, Charlie started a career as a comedian in vaudeville, which eventually took him to United States. He scored an immediate wife with American audience. In 1913, signed a contract with Mutual Film Corporation and gave a number of comedies. When the contract expired, he became an independent producer and produced many movies. His famous films were The Kid, A Woman of Paris, The Gold Rush, The Circus, and City Lights. Charlie Chaplin's versatility extended to writing, music, and sports. So it can be said about him that he was not only just a comedian, but also an author, actor, poet, director, and soundtrack composer as well. Charlie Chaplin married 4 women and had 9 children. He died on Christmas Day of 1977 at the age of 88. Word meaning: subsequent, happening or coming after something. Inherited, received money, property, talent, etc. from somebody. Youngsters, young boys and girls. Debut, the first public appearance of a performer. Vaudeville, music hall. Spurred, to try harder to achieve. Understanding the lesson. A. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What was the complete name of Charlie Chaplin? Answer. The complete name of Charlie Chaplin was Charles Spencer Chaplin. Question 2. Why did Charlie and his brother have to be on their own even in their tender age? Answer. The early death of Charlie's father and the subsequent illness of his mother made Charlie and his brother to be on their own even in their tender age. Question 3. Where did Charlie make his professional debut? Answer. Charlie made his professional debut as a member of juvenile group called the 8th Lancashire Lads and rapidly won popular favor as an outstanding top dancer. Question 4. Write about his career as a comedian. Answer. Charlie started his career as a comedian in vaudeville, which eventually took him to the United States in 1910. He scored an immediate hit with American audiences. As an American actor, he shot up into fame as the Little Tramp in silent movies. In 1912, he was offered a motion picture contract. When he worked with Mutual Film Corporation, he gave a number of comedies such as The Floor Walker, The Fireman, The Vagabond, 1 AM, Behind the Screen, etc. Question 5. Name some of the films that he produced. Answer. He constructed his own studio. His famous films were The Kid, A Woman of Paris, The Gold Rush, The Circus, and City Lights. Question 6. Write about his family life. Answer. Charlie was born in London on April 16, 1889. His father was a singer and an actor. His mother, known under the stage name of Lily Harley, was an attractive actress and singer. Charlie was thrown on his own resources before he reached the age of 10, as the early death of his father and the illness of his mother made it necessary for Charlie to stand on his own. He was a comedian, an author, actor, poet, director, and soundtrack composer. He married 4 women and had 9 children. He died on Christmas Day of 1977.